Hi everyone, I'm Anagha from Access Language School, and in this session, let us discuss about certain tips which may help you in order to improve your OET speaking. The OET speaking subtest consists of 20 minutes and you need to enact 2 role plays each. And it would be specific to the candidate's profession, and the interlocutor, the person who plays the role of the patient or the relative, will not be the person who will assess your exam. Instead, it will be recorded and sent to the OET, where at least 2 members would assess your examination. Now, the ice-breaking session, or before the commencement of the exact examination, in the warm-up session you can practice your speaking skills as much as you want, so that you feel comfortable once you step into the case of role play. And you will be judged on the basis of your language skills like your fluency, intelligibility, the types of vocabulary and grammar you make use of, as well as the clinical communication skills like your ability to build a relationship, with your patient, as well as information giving and information gathering, and also your ability to incorporate the ideas and opinions of the patients. Therefore, you will be judged on the basis of 2 criterions, your language skills and your clinical communication skills. And if you are a person who starts from the problem of starting trouble, then do one thing. Try to make a note of the very first sentence you intend to speak on the paper which is provided, so that you can start your conversation much easily. So please take into consideration all the above mentioned points, which will definitely help you in order to improve your OET speaking skills. Thank you.